Hello, welcome to iBrainHacks. 11 foods that are good for liver health. The liver is a force to be reckoned with of an organ. It plays out an assortment of fundamental undertakings, going from creating proteins, cholesterol, and bile to putting away nutrients, minerals, and even carbs. It likewise separates poisons like liquor, meds, and characteristic side effects of digestion. Keeping your liver fit as a fiddle is significant for looking after well-being. This article records the 11 best food varieties to eat to keep your liver solid. 1. Espresso. Espresso is probably the best refreshment you can drink to advance liver well-being. Studies have shown that drinking espresso shields the liver from infection, even in the individuals who as of now have issues with this organ. For instance, contemplates have consistently shown that drinking espresso helps bring down the danger of cirrhosis, or lasting liver harm, in individuals with persistent liver sickness. Drinking espresso may likewise help decrease the danger of building up a typical sort of liver malignancy, and it affects liver infection and aggravation. It's even connected with a lower danger of death in individuals with persistent liver sickness, with the best advantages found in the individuals who drink at any rate 3 cups each day. These advantages appear to come from its capacity to forestall the development of fat and collagen, 2 of the principal markers of liver sickness. Espresso additionally diminishes aggravation and builds levels of the cancer prevention agent glutathione. Cancer prevention agents kill destructive free extremists, which are created normally in the body and can make harm cells. While espresso has numerous medical advantages, your liver, specifically, will thank you for that morning cup of joe. 2. Tea. Tea is broadly viewed as advantageous for well-being, yet proof has shown that it might have specific advantages for the liver. One Japanese investigation found that drinking 10 cups of green tea each day was related to improved blood markers of liver well-being. A more modest investigation in individuals with non-alcoholic greasy liver infection, NAFLD, discovered drinking green tea high in cell reinforcements for 12 weeks improved liver compound levels and may likewise help decrease oxidative pressure and fat stores in the liver. Besides, another audit found that individuals who drank green tea were less inclined to create liver malignant growth. The most reduced danger was found in individuals who drank at least 4 cups each day. Various mouse and rodent examine have additionally shown the useful impacts of dark and green tea separates. For instance, one investigation in mice tracked down that dark tea extracate switched a significant number of the negative impacts of a high-fat eating routine on the liver, just as improved blood markers of liver well-being. All things considered, a few groups, particularly the individuals who have liver issues, should practice alert prior to burning through green tea as an enhancement. That is on the grounds that there have been a few reports of liver harm coming about because of the utilization of enhancements containing green tea remove. 3. Grapefruit. Grapefruit contains cell reinforcements that normally secure the liver. The 2 primary cell reinforcements found in grapefruit are naringenin and naringin. A few creatures contemplates have tracked down that both assistance shields the liver from injury. The defensive impacts of grapefruit are known to happen 2-way, by diminishing irritation and secure cells. Studies have additionally shown that these cancer prevention agents can help diminish the advancement of hepatic fibrosis, a destructive condition wherein extreme connective tissue develops in the liver. This regularly results from persistent aggravation. In addition, in mice that were taken care of a high-fat eating routine, naringenin diminished the measure of fat in the liver and expanded the number of chemicals essential for consuming fat, which can help keep the overabundance of fat from amassing. In conclusion, in rodents, naringin has been appeared to help improve the capacity to utilize liquor and balance a portion of liquor's negative impacts. Up to this point, the impacts of grapefruit or grapefruit juice itself, as opposed to its parts, have not been examined. Furthermore, practically all investigations taking a gander at the cell reinforcements in grapefruit have been led in creatures. By the by, the current proof focuses on grapefruit as a decent method to keep your liver solid by forestalling harm and aggravation. 4. Blueberries and cranberries. Blueberries and cranberries both contain anthocyanins, cell reinforcements that give berries their particular tones. They've likewise been associated with numerous medical advantages. A few creatures considers have shown that entire cranberries and blueberries, just as their concentrates or squeezes, can help keep the liver solid. Devouring these natural products for 21 days shielded the liver from harm. Also, blueberries helped increment resistant cell reaction and cancer prevention agent chemicals. Another trial tracked down that the sorts of cell reinforcements discovered usually in blueberries eased back the improvement of sores and fibrosis, the advancement of scar tissue, in the livers of rodents. Additionally, the blueberry separate has even been appeared to hinder the development of human liver malignant growth cells in test tube considers. Nonetheless, more examinations are expected to decide whether this impact can be reproduced in the human body. Making these berries an ordinary piece of your eating regimen is a decent method to help ensure your liver is provided with the cell reinforcements it needs to remain solid. 5. Grapes. Grapes, particularly red and purple grapes, contain an assortment of helpful plant compounds. The most popular one is resveratrol, which has various medical advantages. Numerous creature considers have shown that grapes and grape juice can profit the liver. Studies have discovered that they can have different advantages, including bringing down irritation, forestalling harm, and expanding cancer prevention agent levels. A little report in people with NAFLD showed that enhancing with grapeseed extricate for a very long time improved liver capacity. Be that as it may, since grapeseed removal is a concentrated structure, you probably won't see similar impacts from burning through entire grapes. More examinations are required prior to taking grapeseed removal for the liver can be suggested. In any case, the wide scope of proof from the creature and some human examinations proposes that grapes are a liver-accommodating food. 6. Prickly pear. Prickly pear, known scientifically as Opuntia ficus indica, is a popular type of edible cactus. Its fruit and juice are most commonly consumed. It has long been used in traditional medicine as a treatment for ulcers, wounds, fatigue, liver disease. A 2004 study in 55 people found that the extract of this plant helped reduce symptoms of a hangover. Participants experienced less nausea, dry mouth, and lack of appetite. They were also half as likely to experience a severe hangover if they consumed the extract before drinking alcohol, which is detoxified by the liver. The study concluded these effects were due to a reduction in inflammation, which often occurs after drinking alcohol. Another study in mice found that consuming prickly pear extract helped normalize enzyme and cholesterol levels when consumed at the same time as a pesticide known to be harmful to the liver. Subsequent studies found similar results. A more recent study in rats sought to determine the effectiveness of prickly pear juice, rather than its extract, at combating the negative effects of alcohol. This study found that the juice helped decrease the amount of oxidative damage and injury to the liver after alcohol consumption and helped keep antioxidant and inflammation levels stable. More human studies are needed, especially using prickly pear fruit and juice, rather than extract. Nonetheless, the studies thus far have demonstrated that prickly pear has positive effects on the liver. 7. Beetroot juice. Beetroot juice is a source of nitrates and antioxidants called betalains, which may benefit heart health and reduce oxidative damage and inflammation. It's reasonable to assume that eating beets themselves would have similar health effects. However, most studies use beetroot juice. You can juice beets yourself or buy beetroot juice from the store or online. Several rat studies have shown that beetroot juice helps reduce oxidative damage and inflammation in the liver, as well as increase natural detoxification enzymes. While animal studies look promising, similar studies have not been done in humans. Other beneficial health effects of beetroot juice have been observed in animal studies and replicated in human studies. However, more studies are needed to confirm the benefits of beetroot juice on liver health in humans. 8. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables like Brussels sprouts, broccoli and mustard greens are known for their high fiber content and distinctive taste. They are also high in beneficial plant compounds. Animal studies have shown Brussels sprouts and broccoli sprout extract help increase levels of detoxification enzymes and protect the liver from damage. A study in human liver cells found that this effect remained even when Brussels sprouts were cooked. A 2016 study of mice found that mice fed broccoli developed fewer tumors or fatty liver disease than their counterparts in the control group. Human studies are limited. But so far, cruciferous vegetables look promising as a beneficial food for liver health. Try lightly roasting them with garlic and lemon juice or balsamic vinegar to turn them into a tasty and healthy dish. 9. Nuts. Nuts are high in fats, nutrients, including the antioxidant vitamin E, and beneficial plant compounds. This composition is responsible for several health benefits, especially for heart health, but potentially also for the liver. A 2019 study found a diet higher in nuts to be associated with a decreased risk of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. What's more, a second observational study found that men who ate small amounts of nuts and seeds had a higher risk for developing NAFLD than men who ate large amounts of nuts and seeds. While more high-quality studies are needed, preliminary data points to nuts being an important food group for liver health. 10. Fatty fish. Fatty fish contain omega-3 fatty acids, which are healthy fats that help reduce inflammation and have been associated with a lower risk of heart disease. A 2016 analysis found that omega-3 fatty acids helped lower liver fat and triglycerides in those with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease or non-alcoholic steatohepatitis. While consuming omega-3 rich fatty fish appears to be beneficial for your liver, adding more omega-3 fats to your diet is not the only thing to consider. The ratio of omega-3 fats to omega-6 fats is also important. Most Americans exceed the intake recommendations for omega-6 fats, which are found in many plant oils. An omega-6 to omega-3 ratio that's too high can promote the development of liver disease. Therefore, it's a good idea to reduce your intake of omega-6 fats, too. 11. Olive oil. Olive oil is considered a healthy fat because of its many health benefits, including positive effects on heart and metabolic health. However, it also has positive effects on the liver. One small study in 11 people with NAFLD found that consuming 1 teaspoon, 6.5 milliliters, of olive oil per day improved liver enzyme and fat levels. It also raised levels of a protein associated with positive metabolic effects. The participants also had less fat accumulation and better blood flow in the liver. Several more recent studies have found similar effects of olive oil consumption in humans, including less fat accumulation in the liver, improved insulin sensitivity, and improved blood levels of liver enzymes. Fat accumulation in the liver is part of the first stage of liver disease. Therefore, olive oil's positive effects on liver fat, as well as other aspects of health, make it a valuable part of a healthy diet. The bottom line. Your liver is an important organ with many essential functions. Therefore, it's recommended that you do what you can to protect it, and the foods listed above have demonstrated beneficial effects on the liver. These include lowering the risk of liver disease and cancer, raising antioxidant and detoxification enzyme levels, offering protection from harmful toxins. Incorporating these foods into your diet is a natural and healthy way to help keep your liver functioning at its best. Please leave a comment below and don't forget to like and share with your friends and click subscribe button to watch latest iBrainHacks videos.